How to download your HSBC statement. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So signing up for eStatements for your bank account and credit card to view them, you can sign up for eStatements for your bank account and the credit card to view it online anywhere and anytime you like. You can easily create an archive of your eStatements for your records. It helps the environment by switching to paperless statements, so access your latest account and credit card transactions instantly and never worry about lost or delayed statements, and stay informed about your dues and payment dates. It also helps reduce your paper consumption and protect the environment. So this service is free and it's now available on HSBC mobile banking app. The 3 easy steps to access your statement is to log into your HSBC internet banking, click on Request eStatements or e-advice in the main menu to set up your e-account. This is one-time request. They'll send you a secure email when your e-statement is ready. So that's it for this video. This is how you can go ahead and access or view your HSBC statement and download them. So if you found this guide helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.